In this tutorial, we will create a payment session. The purpose of the payment session is to verify the identity of the cardholder, to prevent fraudulent transactions and refunds. The payment session reference is used when calling our web SDK's payment functions from your client side. This tutorial is for your backend server. To create the payment session, we will be making a request to JudoPay's transaction API. The payment session reference, returned from the API, should be stored in your backend server, where it is ready to be used when calling our web SDK's payment functions from your client side. In this tutorial, we will be using PHP as our server-side scripting language. You may use any server-side language you wish, as we have a REST API, which responds with JSON.